Welcome to 5-Minute Tech Clash. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of the Garmin Fenix 8 vs Garmin Fenix 7. We'll explore their standout features, check out the prices, weigh the pros and cons, and ultimately declare a winner. Let's get started. First up, the bezel material. The Fenix 8 offers stainless steel and titanium options. The Fenix 7, on the other hand, sticks to stainless steel. Both models feature a durable frame. It's made from fiber-reinforced polymer in both watches. Next, let's talk case sizes. The Fenix 8 gives you three options: 43mm, 47mm, and 51mm. The Fenix 7 only comes in a 47mm case size. Moving on to weight. The Fenix 8 varies by size: 66 grams, 80 grams, and 102 grams. The Fenix 7 weighs 70 grams for its 47mm case. Now for the dimensions. The Fenix 8's 43mm is 0.54 by 1.69 by 1.69 inches, 47mm is 0.54 by 1.85 by 1.85 inches, and 51mm is a 2.01 by 2.01 inches. The Fenix 7's 47mm measures 1.85 by 1.85, 0.57 inches. Display size. The Fenix 8 has a 1.3 inches on 43mm model and has a larger 1.4-inch display on its 47mm and 51mm models. The Fenix 7 sticks to a 1.3-inch display. And the display type. The Fenix 8 upgrades to AMOLED. The Fenix 7 uses a MIP display. Both watches, however, share some common ground. They have 320 ppi density, always-on displays, and 1500 nits brightness. The display material. The Fenix 8 offers Gorilla Glass or Sapphire Crystal. The Fenix 7 only features Gorilla Glass. Sensors. Both models include wrist heart rate and SpO2 monitors. They also feature a barometric altimeter, compass, gyroscope, accelerometer, and thermometer. The Fenix 8 adds two extras: an ambient light sensor and a depth sensor. Platform. Both watches run on a proprietary chip. Storage. The Fenix 8 doubles the storage with 32 gigabytes. The Fenix 7 offers 16 gigabytes. Battery type. Both models use a reliable Li-ion battery. Charging time. Both fully charge in about 2 hours. Battery life. The Fenix 8 offers varying durations: 10 days for 43mm, 16 days for 47mm, and an impressive 29 days for 51mm. The Fenix 7 provides 18 days for its 47mm model. Smart features. Both watches are loaded with features: heart rate monitoring, HRV status, ECG, and SpO2 tracking. They include sleep coach, nap detection, and jet lag advisor. Body energy monitoring, stress tracking, and health snapshots are present in both. They also track respiration, hydration, and women's health. Activity tracking, smart notifications, and multi-sports modes are included. Safety features, a stock tracker, and outdoor maps with SatIQ tech are shared. Both are water-resistant up to 10 ATM. The Fenix 8 adds a built-in LED flashlight. Connectivity. Both models feature Bluetooth 5.0, AN+, Wi-Fi, GPS, and NFC. Let's talk about prices. Garmin Fenix 8 vs Garmin Fenix 7. For the Fenix 8, the 43mm model is priced at $999.99 US. The 47mm models both cost $99.99 US. Meanwhile, the Fenix 7, the 47mm version, comes in at a more affordable $649 USD. Let's see the pros and cons of both watches. Garmin Fenix 8 vs Garmin Fenix 7. Fenix 8 Pro, advanced AMOLED display and additional sensors. Con, significantly higher price. Fenix 7 Pro, more affordable with solid features for its price. Con, lacks premium upgrades like AMOLED and flashlight. And the winner is Garmin Fenix 8, due to its titanium bezel, case sizes, AMOLED display, and sapphire crystal material. It also wins with ambient light and depth sensors, storage, and a built-in flashlight. Fenix 7 is best for price. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share our channel for more tech insights.